today is day 2 of the 12 days of Vlogmas, even though these aren't really vlogs, but some of them might be. It's the Ike Foundation tournament, and I know I didn't upload any of the footage from this, and I know that, you know, it's not timely, because that was like 7 months ago, 6 months ago, whatever. But I don't care. You know, I never posted it, and I never did anything with it. I can't find the big camera footage from that day. Probably deleted it. Whoops. But I'm going to upload just the fishing footage from that day, so you're gonna get that. And I caught 2 fish that day, and then I caught the 3rd, but I only was able to upload 2 pictures, and you'll see why. Just stick around for a minute and you'll figure out why. But yeah, enjoy, and again, this is day 2. Thanks. Thank you for coming back for day 2 of the 12 days of Vlogmas. Like I said, even though these aren't vlogs. But yeah, you saw that one get away. I don't have any more footage of the day. Sorry about that. But yeah, keep an eye out for day 3. Because that'll be tomorrow. Because tomorrow would be day 3 of this whole You're an Idiot challenge. And yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.